going to be a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. So yeah, I know I was looking at my recent videos and it's been a really long time since I uploaded a video. I just haven't been wearing makeup in a very long time. But anyway, today I have to go somewhere and I just got this box like 2 days ago. So I'm excited to show you guys what it is in my box. So anyway, let's get this video started. Okay guys, so it's been forever. So we're going to go ahead and unbox my Boxycharm box this month. So the theme is right here is this card right here. It's sunshine, that's the theme of it. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready and try these products out. So first of all, this product right here is, I don't know how to even know what that brand is because it's like 3 ones and it says skin on it, but underneath it says Harley St. London, and it's pollution defense booster, anti-pollution. I don't know, I've never used this before, and right now I'm actually currently using this one from the last time that I got something, and this one's actually a hydration juice for my skin. So I'm using this one, and I'm not going to open this just because, you know, everything has an expiration date, and I feel like if I open it right now I'm already going to end up having to use it, and I kind of don't want to do that right now. But this is what it looks like right here. It's really cute, the bottle is nice and pretty. And it just says shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your moisturizer, or apply directly to skin after cleansing. So I mean, I could use it right now with, you know, without my moisturizer or whatever, but that's what that is, and I'm gonna wait to use that. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one, and yeah, I'll use the other one like in another video once I'm out of this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this. I know that this product isn't in this box, and you'll probably be like, okay April, but why are you talking about that? I'm just gonna do this really really quick. I'm gonna put my foundation on, my primer and all that other good stuff, because there's no primer in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back with the next thing we need to do to apply the next product, if that makes any sense. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Before I even do my eyeshadow, the next thing that was in my Boxycharm is the Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner, which is this right here. I've been wanting one of these so bad because I'm always doing different eye looks. Like, I'm a very colorful person. I love doing bright colors. How can I open it? So it's one of these where you put your it's one of these things where you clean your brushes between like switching, like adding different colors to your eye look or whatever. You just clean this off. I've been wanting this, but I'm not even telling you guys the price for that. The dry brush cleaner is $20 for this thing right here, and then this thing that I just talked about right now, it's, oh shit, it's $135. What? Wow, that's like way more than I already spent on my box. That is crazy. So I didn't know what it was, but it says it's a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. The unique booster shields up skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and whatever. But we will try that another day because I don't want to open a whole new thing. I swear I can't even speak. Like, if I haven't done a video in a very long time, I get all tongue-tied and twisted. Okay, so I have foundation underneath my nails. I just got a new somewhat set. Some of them broke because I hadn't seen my sorry nails. Guys, Addison was calling me. But anyway, so this is what it looks like, and I'm excited because I like to use like different kinds of eyeshadow, and I hate washing my brushes because I have so many of them, so it just takes forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull out a palette that I've never filmed with. This is one of my new palettes. I've used it before, but I just haven't done a video with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do some eyeshadows. These are bright colors, and I think it'd be really cool just to do a look, and I can use this little thing to clean it with when I am switching my shadows. So I'm not too sure what I want to use. I don't know. I don't even know what I want to do. Okay, so I'm not gonna do like a whole full tutorial or anything like that. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna even wear today. But you guys know me. I like blues and greens and all that other good stuff. I think I want to do like a teal color for some reason. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and my brush is already dirty as it is, so I am gonna use this little thing there. Wow, see how this works. So yeah, let's see. You guys know that I love to use like blues and greens. Those are like my colors, my go-to colors. So, but I did get like a shadow and this Boxycharm, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in a minute. That way I can tell you, because it's more of like a liquid shadow. I think I've used it before, like a long time ago when my mom bought me like a whole set of liquid liners and liquid shadows from Sephora, and those was like years ago. So we're gonna try that other shadow that I got. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do this really fast. I mean, like I said, it's not really a tutorial, but I'm just doing an eye look. So yeah, oh my god guys, I have been reading this series on my Kindle. I have my Kindle Fire to read books and stuff, and I download. Oh my goodness, I just want to talk to you guys for a little bit because it's been forever since I did a video, and I know I uploaded a vlog video for you guys because that's what the last thing that I was doing, which was Addison doing her farewell and the pageant and stuff. And I do have another one coming soon because she is in 3 other pageants. So in case she doesn't win this one, then she goes to the next one, and so forth and so forth. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and do this really fast before I even talked about it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that off, I guess. I don't even know. And we're gonna go ahead and use some green. So yeah, so I've been reading non-stop since this whole corona, and literally I found a series. I read the first one and I was so hooked that I continue. I think it's like 9 books, and I've already finished them all. Of course, there's other characters in it, like, you know, like the best friend or whatever. So I'm reading one of the books that is about the best friend, but I would do a whole video of that for you guys because I know a lot of people like to read, and I love talking about books and stuff. So I'm gonna be doing like my top books to read and stuff if you're looking for something to read on your Kindle or just paper book or whatever type of book that you. Okay guys, so I just did this really fast before I continue. So the next thing that we got is this Studio Makeup cream shadow, and it looks like this. It's a really pretty like champagne-y color, and this was actually for, let's see, where are you $25 for this. So I haven't used cream shadows in years, so we're gonna go see and check to see how this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. It does feel wet. Obviously, you're going to feel the wetness with this. And I'm just going to put this just right at the beginning and then a little bit in my center. It's okay, I guess. I mean, I just feel like the wetness, and it's so hot outside that I feel like it's going to crease. But I guess we will tell, because I do have to go into the city today, so we will check to see how this is gonna last all day, because it's about 3:30 right now in the afternoon, and I won't be home until about 9ish, 10 o'clock at night. So I mean, it looks pretty cool, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of smoke my eyes with the other eyeshadow really fast. I need to let this like literally dry. I need to get one of those little fans that I've been wanting to get. Okay, so I mean, it looks okay. I just feel like it's kind of, I don't know, I'm not really into like wet, or not wet, but like cream shadows like this. Okay, so the next thing is this palette right here. This is a bronzing palette, I want to say it's called. It is a Bronzed in Paradise palette. It's by Ace Beauty, and it looks like this. And then the bronze is like this. So you have all of these right here. So if you're more of a lighter skin to mid-tone to dark tone, you have these. So I'm so excited because I love bronzer. Like, I feel like it just gives you that whole look. So what I'm going to end up doing is probably going to be mixing the middle two, which are these right here. I'm going to see how that looks. And I don't want to do too much because I don't know how intense this is. Like how really pigmented it is. Actually, it looks really good. And I've never tried this brand before, so I'm actually excited to try this. I love, of course, you know, you love the brands that you've heard of and then you know you like, but also trying out new beauty brands. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. And just kind of mix the middle two. I always felt like when you find your color, like your shade on a palette like this, like it's kind of hard, like, okay, well, what are you gonna do with the others? But it's because I do makeup on people, I feel like even with Addison, like I can use a lighter shade and Destiny can use like a darker shade, so it's like really cool. Not that I do Destiny's makeup anymore because she knows how to do her makeup now, but you know. So the last and final product is this right here. This is by Cream Shop. I want to say that's how you say it. It's a highlighter, a cushion highlighter, and it's in the shade Pink Glow. So I'm excited to try it. And it looks like this. The packaging is just freaking amazing. It's all holographic. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I've never tried anything like cushiony. I know like this reminds me of like K-beauty brands because a lot of their Asian beauty products are like this, a lot of cushion. Sounds weird. Okay, and then you open it up like this. I won't blind you guys. And then you peel this off. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this part. And it looks like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this little pad thingy. Put my freaking... I can open it up. There you go. And put like 2 little fingers in there. And then... push, and it feels wet, which I never knew, but that cushion is supposed to feel like that. I mean, I don't hate it. I just gotta get used to this. But it feels pretty cool. It's like really subtle, but I feel like if I'm in the sun outside, you're gonna be able to tell. And I don't like for it to look like I just dabbed and it's like a line there. So I feel like I want to kind of like use my own fingers and kind of just dab it there. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I'm sorry if you can hear things in the back. It's raining outside. But yeah, so that was it. That was all that was in my Boxycharm box. It was okay. It wasn't one of my favorite ones, but I actually really do like the products. I want to say like this is one thing that I've been wanting for a long time, and I'm happy I got it. I really do am a sucker for bronzers, so I'm happy about this palette, and this is something new that I'm excited to try. So yeah. I wasn't too crazy about this. I think I need to get used to it because, I mean, it's pretty, but I don't know. I just gotta get used to that. But that is it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to stab the subscribe button, ring that bell to know about the future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.